Flaps 2.
Speed check. Flaps 2.
Alt glide slope, log blue, cat 3 dual, autopilot 1 and 2.
Checked. 1000 to go.
Checked. Lock star.
Checked.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Flaps 3.
Speed check. Flaps 3.
Flaps full.
Speed check. Flaps full.
Landing checklist.
ICA memo.
Landing no blue.
Cabin.
Ready.
Landing checklist complete.
Autopilot off.
Check. 1000.
Check.
Stabilize.
500. 100 above.
Checked.
300. Minimum
Continue.
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. 5.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Diesel. 70 knots.
Auto brake off.
Parking checklist.
Parking record checks.
Parking brake set.
Engines.
Off.
Fuel pumps.
Off.
Yellow electrical pump.
Off.
Parking checklist complete.
Miguel,
Thank you for the flight. It was a pleasure.
the pleasure was mine.